Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. So if we have the function in here, that's about the integration from a to b f of t dt. So if we do first derivative, we need to do first derivative of b, and the value of b will replace for t, so you got about f of b minus, we do first derivative of a multiplied by f of a. This is the formula to answer 3 questions in here. So for the first one, we do first derivative of this integration. So we will have first derivative of s. The value of s will replace for t. So we have 2 multiplied by the square root of s minus, we do first derivative of number 5. And the value of number 5 will replace for t. So we put number 5 in here. First derivative of number 5, you will have number 0. First derivative of s, we have number 1. If we simplify, we just have this one left. And now the square root of s, that's about s to the power of 1 over 2. The integration of this one, we have 2 to the power 2 multiplied by s to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1. This one is about 1 over 2 plus 1. About number 1, that's about s. And later that we put the bounds in here. This is about 3 over 2. This is about 3 over 2. And now we put number 16 and number 4 in here. And we have the answer. We have 188 over 3. This one, if we do first derivative, we do first derivative of s, and the value of s will replace for t. Similar for this one. This one you got about number 1. This one we have negative number 1. So negative with negative, you got about positive. And then this one, negative s to the power of 2, you got about s squared. So we simplify and we have 2 cosine of s squared plus 1. And this is the answer for the question. The last one. So this one, you will have number 0. This one we have 3s squared. And now we simplify. You will have negative 3s squared over s to the power of number 6 plus 9 sine s to the power of 3 plus 15. And this is the answer for the question.